What is going on, guys? I'm here with my e36 and I'm not at my garage actually this time. I'm at a spot. I'm not with anybody else really right now, but pretty much I've just got my e36 over here. You guys already know I installed coilovers, we repaired everything on the car, and honestly I've just been itching to drive. I'm not even going to be doing anything too crazy out here, but I just wanted to do something just to kind of feel out the car, make sure it feels good. I don't know if there's anything I need to adjust, maybe with the coilovers or anything like that. So I just came out to this spot right here. We're gonna do just a couple little laps, nothing too crazy, but let's get into it. I'll throw on my helmet right now and we'll put this in a POV. It's really loud because I only have half of my exhaust on. Just wanted to come out here and do just a couple little laps just to kind of get a feel for it and just make sure that the car's still set up pretty nicely, still make sure it feels nice. And honestly, the car feels great. It feels awesome. I feel like I haven't driven in such a long time. I think last weekend we missed like a drifting sesh for the weekend, so I feel like a little rusty. I feel like I haven't driven in forever. But I'm not gonna get too ahead of myself. I'm just gonna keep it tame, keep it calm, and yeah, just get a feel for the car. Just checking to make sure I'm not leaking any fluids or anything. brake here. Like, I can link this whole thing without it, but I just kind of want to get used to it, like in my mind, to be able to use a hydro to kind of extend my drift every now and then. So if you see me using my hydro and everything, I'm just kind of trying to practice, you know. Plus, I'm just kind of trying to get a feel for the car. I'm not trying to do anything too crazy right now, but it feels great. Car feels really good. It sounds really loud. Like at some points I want to let off throttle because I feel like I'm higher in the revs than I really am, but it's because half of my exhaust is gone. So in my head, I'm thinking like, oh shit, like I'm like at red line, but I'm really not. I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I just wanted to do a few laps, get to drive the car since I've been itching to drive for this past like couple weeks. And honestly, the car feels great. I don't want to push my luck too much out here since it's just me. I highly recommend, if you're gonna go street drifting or doing anything, I recommend at least take one other person with another car. Honestly, I don't recommend doing what I'm doing just because I just kind of rebuilt this car. I just fixed everything, and then I come out to a spot by myself. Do not do this, please. But yeah, I just wanted to really just drive the car. If anything happens, I've got, you know, people to come help me out, or truck and trailer and all that stuff. Yeah, like I said, I don't recommend you just coming out by yourself and ripping on your car and everything, but I just wanted to do a few laps, get a feel for the car. I just installed those coilovers. We just repaired everything, and honestly, it drives really good. I didn't want to go too crazy out here right now. I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I just wanted to, you know, get a few laps like that. So I'm probably gonna switch this video over to tomorrow. I think me and Sebastian are gonna be doing something, so I'll switch that over right now, but we'll see you. What is going on, you guys? I'm here with Sebastian, and we're in my truck. We got a trailer, and we're actually on the way to go pick something up for Sebastian, which I'm not gonna say anything about it right now. We'll show it once we pick it up, get it on the trailer, all that stuff. But right now we're actually on a pretty long trip. Like I said, we're gonna go pick something up, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Dude has snow on his fucking truck. Where are we? Holy fuck. As you guys saw in that last fucking clip, we're literally freezing out here. We're still in Texas somehow. I don't know how the fuck there was all that snow in Texas. That shit is crazy. But look at my fucking truck. There's fucking ice everywhere. Look at this shit. Sebastian's doing a little overview of the car that we just picked up. This is crazy as hell. I'm not gonna go too in depth with it. Check that car out on Sebastian's channel. He's gonna be posting about it. It's gonna be a sick ass fucking build. So go check him out, and we'll catch you guys once we get back and probably drop this off and everything, because we're hungry as hell and we have a lot of driving to do. Holy fuck. After a long ass fucking day of driving all day, driving all night, we're finally back in Dallas. Sebastian's hooking up some battery cables to the new car he got. 5 hours there, 5 hours back. Out of nowhere, we hit fucking snow out of nowhere. We're still in Texas, by the way, and there's snow in November, which is very odd to me. I don't know. But that was some crazy shit. That was a lot of driving. Sebastian finally has his car now, and yeah, a lot of stuff is going to be going down pretty soon. We're going to be out and about pretty soon, so be on the lookout for this. Like I said, check out Sebastian's channel, look at what is going on with this car, what's going to be going down with it, because it's going to be fucking awesome. And once we're out on the streets again, it's going to be fucking insane. But I think that's gonna be pretty much it for me tonight. I just kind of wanted to show a little bit of a follow along as we kind of traveled through Texas to go pick up this fucking car. Yeah, that was crazy. I'm tired as hell, and yeah, y'all have a good night. I think I'm just gonna end it off here with that, because fuck, I'm done.